Welcome. In front of me I have the Kindle from Amazon, and I'll do a simple unboxing and a look at this device. So let me just jump straight into it. Now here we have a little pull tab at the back. Not really a fan of these. We kind of damaged the box to get in there, but whatever. At least this one was satisfying and didn't break along the way. And inside, oh boy, that is actually smaller than I expected. That's what she said. Just the joke had to be made. Anyway, in here we have a Type-C to Type-A charging cable and a little bit of an instruction once you pull it out. And another joke there to be made. Now, in terms of instructions, very basic. This is an ebook reader, so obviously, and that's about it in here. So let's get into this package. Yeah, so the power button is at the bottom, as the image would imply. Now there we go. Now just to compare it to some device next to it, this is the Fold 4, and you can see in terms of height it's, I would say, almost identical, maybe just a little bit taller with the curved kind of plastic around here, but yeah, it's about the same height. And in terms of width, at least to the Fold 4, because I have it on hand, as you can see it's much wider. But then if I would unfold it, actually, you can see that it changes the perspective. So just wanted to give you kind of like a comparison between the sizes. This is obviously one-hand usable without a problem. Let's see, I'm gonna select language. It is a touch display. Select your region. I have only two regions. I have either US or a UK. Okay, there's not much of a choice there. And it's doing something. Now this is the first time I'm setting up a Kindle device, so I don't really know what it's doing and what's going to be visible in a second, but I assume it will be something like a bookshelf. So let's give it a second. Obviously, in terms of unboxing, there's not much to unbox, just a cable and a device. And in terms of look at the device, it's just an ebook reader, so I'm not going to really go over specs or anything like that. There isn't almost anything to say, but there is one thing that I'm gonna say, and that is the price. And that device costs about $100. Now at least that's how much it's being sold on Polish websites, which that's where I am at. And other than that, I don't think Kindles are actually being sold in Poland normally through Amazon. So yeah, setup on Kindle. Okay, so yeah, there is a setup for this, and it actually has Wi-Fi connectivity, which shouldn't actually surprise me, but anyway. Not exactly sure if it's connecting, but it is. Connect to Amazon, set up later. Okay, never mind. Create an account. Can I not? Create an Amazon account. Is there Poland here? Other? Guess I just have to select other. There ain't no Poland here. Okay, so after basically connecting to network, it doesn't seem like I have any way of going back. Which, come on. Yeah, anyway, I don't have an Amazon account that I can log into easily, and I don't want to go through a setup. So anyway, this will conclude the look at this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.